Yellow Custom Cab Services charges a flat rate of $1.75 per ride and an additional 65 cents per mile. Kaylin has no more than $10 to spend on a ride. How many miles can Kaylin travel without exceeding her financial limit? We're given that automatically Kaylin must pay $1.75, that's automatic, plus an additional 65 cents per mile. Now, this amount cannot exceed $10. This amount right here has to be, whatever this adds up to, it has to be less than or equal to $10. Less than, this amount must be less than, the point is facing what must be less than, or it could be equal to 10, but it can't go past that. When I look over the choices, the correct answer, solve the inequality and round your answer to the nearest hundredth. Now, what does hundredth mean? Well, let's give a quick example. If I just came up with an answer, I am making this up. If I had an answer of 3.6254, or maybe I got an answer of 10.1513, the hundredth place is 2 places to the right of the decimal. And we'll decide whether we keep this number or we round up based on the next number. If the next number is 5 or above, and we were supposed to round to the nearest hundredth, this would become 3.63. In this case, I have a 1, which is not greater than 5, so it's 10.15. That's just a quick review of rounding to the nearest hundredth. Now, we're supposed to solve this inequality. You do have a built-in calculator within this checkpoint quiz. So the first thing I would do is subtract 175 to both sides. And then I'm going to divide by 0.65. And a lot of times students say, when do I have to switch the inequality symbol? When does this flip? It's only when you multiply or divide by a negative. So I'm going to write down the full answer that I'm seeing right now. When I round to the nearest hundredth, okay, I'm focused on the second number to the right of the decimal, and then the number after that says whether I keep it or I round up. So my symbol is less than or equal to, which can be found in option A, and my answer is approximately 12.69 when we round to the nearest. Kaylin can travel with the Yellow Custom Cab Services for a maximum of how many times without exceeding her financial limit? Well, you're not going to take 12.6 rides, right? That's not going to happen. So it's either 12 or 13, and she doesn't have enough money for 13, so approximately 12 rides.